Good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? The new chapter, relations and functions. Relations and functions. Relations and functions. Okay. Then first topic is Cartesian product of Cartesian product of two sets. Cartesian product, for example, A is a set, B is a set. So this is ordered pair P comma Q, ordered pair P comma Q, such that P belongs to P comma Q, P cross Q. P belongs to capital P comma Q belongs to capital Q. Cartesian product, the symbol of Cartesian product symbol is cross. This symbol is called Cartesian product in the sets. So this is bracket. This bracket is called ordered pair. Ordered pair. O-R-D-E-R-D. Ordered pair. Pair. Ordered pair. Okay. Ordered pair. Not open interval. Actually, in the set, so this is open interval. So here in the Cartesian product only. In the Cartesian product, this bracket is called ordered pair P comma Q. P belongs to Q belongs to P. This is what is this? This one. This is P cross Q. Cartesian product of P and Q equal to, this is the definition, set builder form. So first P set to cross Q and first P next Q. In the order pair, the first element in the P element belongs to P and P set the elements ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು first, because first P cross Q, the first set P and second set Q. In the order pair also, first is the P elements, next is the Q elements. Okay, so Q cross P, for example, Q cross P. So the set of all Q comma P, okay, P belongs to P comma Q belongs to Q. In Q cross P, the Cartesian product of Q comma P, in the first element in the ordered pair, in Q elements, only Q elements in the first order pair. So second element in the order pair is P elements. Okay, this one, order pair, P belongs to P, Q belongs to C. So next one example. For example, A is equal to small a comma b, P is equal to, Q is equal to 1, 2. So P cross Q is equal to set of all ordered pairs. What are pair? First A 1, first element to P cross Q, first order pair, first element to P element to A 1 Q element, again A comma 2. Okay, next B1 B2, this one. Don't repeat same elements, don't repeat same pairs, order pairs. Okay, so how many times? 2 or 3 times, so that same order pair repeated means we can write only one time. This is same, this is called element, is nothing but element. Normal 1, 2, 3 elements, normal element. This element is called ordered pair A comma 1, ordered pair A comma 2. So in the order pair A comma 1, A comma 2, B comma 1, B comma 2, what is the P set to? A, B, B. A 2 times you can write one time, B 2 times you can write one time, A comma B. This is B. So second element 1, 2, 1, 2. So what is Q? 1 comma 2. So n of P cross Q is equal to n of A, n of B into n of Q, or P into Q. So n of P is equal to what? N of P is equal to 2. N of Q is equal to 2. N of A and N of B is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Number of Cartesian product of P cross Q is equal to number of elements in P into number of elements in Q. Number of elements in P is denoted P. Number of elements in Q, N of Q is denoted by Q. So P into Q equal to 4. Okay. This is the Cartesian product. So when the two order pairs are equal, for example, A comma B is equal to A comma B. Two order pairs when when we have to equal the first element in first order pair, first element in second order pair equal. Second element in first order pair, second element in second order pair equal. Elements equal. Okay, the set elements equal. First one equal. Second one. A is equal to, this is A is equal to B, for example, A is equal to B, C is equal to A. When the two order pair set equal, A is equal to C, B is equal to D. First element in first order pair, first element in first order pair, first element in second order pair equal. Second element in first order pair, second element in second order pair equal. Numbers equal, order pairs equal. Each element equal means the two order pairs are equal. This is the explanation of Cartesian product. So one student have a doubt. One student have a doubt. What a doubt? Prime numbers, odd numbers. All prime numbers are all prime numbers are odd numbers, or all odd numbers are prime numbers. This is doubt. First odd numbers. Odd numbers అనేది 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and so on. This is odd number. What is the definition of odd number? Any number is not divisible by 2 or remainder 1. Any number that remainder 1. What is the even number definition? Any number is divisible by 2. Any number is divisible by 2 that is not divisible by 2. So that remainder is 1. This is the 3 by 2, remainder 1, 5 by 2, 2 2 is 1, 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, remainder 1. So these are called odd numbers. Next, what is the prime numbers? Prime numbers means any number has factors 1 and itself. Any number factors 1 and itself. For example, 1 is the factor only 1a. Itself got 1a. So this is not a prime number. For example, 3 3 factors 1 and itself. Itself means 3. 1 is the factor and itself 3 is also factor. So this type of all values, all numbers are prime numbers. So for example, 9. 9 factors 1, 3 9 in also. 1 and itself is a factor of prime number. Okay, so 1 itself and another one is 3 is a factor. So this is not a prime number. So 9 is not a prime number. 15 is not a prime number. So also 7, 19, this is 19, next to 21. 21 is not a prime number because 21 factors are 1, 3, 7, 21. So this one. question. All odd numbers are not a prime number. All odd numbers not a prime number, because 9 odd number but not a prime number. 15, 21, 25, this type of numbers are odd numbers but not prime number. Second one, all prime numbers are odd numbers. Correct. This is also wrong. All prime numbers are not odd numbers. All odd numbers prime numbers ಅಲ್ಲ, all prime numbers odd numbers ಅಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? 2 is a prime number. So 2 is equal to 1 into 2. 1 and itself is a factor of 2. So 2 is prime number, but 2 is not a odd number. Okay, clear? All odd numbers prime numbers ಅಲ್ಲ, all prime numbers odd numbers ಅಲ್ಲ. All odd numbers prime number ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲು 3, 9, 15, 21. 1 odd number, not a prime number. So all prime numbers not a odd numbers, because 2 is a prime number but not a odd number. The 2 have the specialization. What is the 2 is a special number? This is 2 is a special number because this is 2 is a even prime number. What is the even prime number? Even prime number. Even plus prime number. Which number is the even prime number? 2 is a even prime number. 2 is a even prime number. 1 is not a prime number. 1 is not a prime number because the 1 is factor is only 1. The compulsory 2 factors, 1 and itself. Any number is 1 and itself. 1 itself also 1. So 1 comma 1 is not a 2 numbers. Don't have 2 factors, only single factor. That's why this is not a prime number. Okay, all prime numbers not a odd numbers. All odd numbers not a prime number. All prime numbers are odd numbers excluding 2. Without 2, excluding 2. 2 tappa remaining all prime numbers are a odd numbers. Okay, this is the explanation one students asked me. So this is the explanation of prime numbers and odd numbers. This is the Cartesian product of already discussed. Today I will go to the exercise, some more examples. Okay, what is that one? Order pairs. 2 order pairs are equal when A is equal to C, B equal to D. First order pair first element to second order pair first element to equal. First order pair second element to second order pair second element to equal andre the 2 order pairs are equal. Okay, clear? Okay, let us go to ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪೇಪರು ಮೊನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಯಾರೈದು ನಮಗೆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀಗ ಯಾರಿಗನ್ನ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮು ನಂದಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಅದು ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೀವು ಕಲಿಸ್ಯಾರು, ನಾನು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನೋ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇಪರು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅಂದರೆ, ಅದು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ನೀವು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ನಾನು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರಂದರೆ ಅದು ನೋಡಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನಾಳೆ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಆವತ್ತೇ ನೀವು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾಳೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಆವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮು ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ, ನಮಗೂ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ರಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏದನ್ನು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಗಾನಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ. ಈಗೇನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಆವಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ first problem. If x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3, x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 equal to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3. Okay, find the values of x and y. Find the values of ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ನು ಇನ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಸಮಯದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಲಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನನಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ అనేది ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್, ಬೈ ಎನಿ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆರ್ ಎನಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಆ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ. Find the values of x and y. So, two order pairs equal because first order pair, second order pair, in between equal. In between equal means the two order pairs are equal. When the order pairs are equal, first one, first two, second one equal. So, solution x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. First order pair first element to second order pair first element to equal. So 4 minus 2 by 3, y adi y, this is y. Y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So x by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1. 5 by 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 by 3. 5 minus 3, 2 by 3. So x by 3 is equal to 2 by 3, x cancel, x is equal to 2. Y is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, that is equal to 3 by 3. Y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Y is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is equal to LCM 3 by 3 is equal to 1. So what is the x value? 2, y value 1. Okay. Homework. If x plus 1 comma y minus 2 is equal to 3 comma 1, find values of x and y. This is the homework problem. Okay, next problem. Next. Second one. If a set has three elements, a set A has three elements. So n of A is equal to 3. A set A has three elements. So number of three elements only count. Okay, only number of elements are given, not that numbers also not given. Only number count is given. Set A has three elements, and set B is equal to 3, 4, 5, and set B is equal to 3, 4, 5. Find the number of elements in A cross B. Find the number of elements in A cross B. So n of A cross B is equal to x2. Number of element in A, n of A is equal to 3. B set, n of B equal to what? N of B equal to 3. B is equal to what? 1, 2, 3. So n of B is equal to 3. So n of A cross B is equal to number of element in Cartesian product of AB. So n of A cross B is equal to, what is the formula? N of A into n of B. N of A is directly given 3. B also set given. How many elements in set? 3. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Third one. G is equal to 7, 8, and H is equal to, G is equal to 7, 8, and H is equal to 5, 4, 2. So G cross H is equal to G cross H. Okay, how many elements in G cross H? Number of elements in number of elements in G cross H. How many elements? 2 into 3, 6. What are they? 7, 5, 7, 4, 7, 2. Okay, complete 7. Next 8. 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2. This one. What is H cross G? H cross G, homework. H cross G, homework. G cross H is equal to H cross G. Elements are same. Elements are same. This is reverse order pair. 5, 7, 4, 7. This is reverse. G H cross A. This is reverse. So 6 order pairs, 6 elements will come. So the order pairs are reverse order pairs. You get reverse order pairs. Next, fourth one. State whether each of the following statements are true or false. State whether each of the following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. The given statements are true or false. If false means you have to rewrite correct statement. What is the first one? Fourth one, first one. P is equal to M comma N. Q is equal to N comma M. MN NM. Then P cross Q is equal to M comma N comma N comma M. Correct? How many? N of P is equal to N of Q is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. What? How many elements in P cross Q? 4 elements. So here what? How many elements are given? 2 elements. So this is true or false? False. What is the correct? P cross Q is equal to M N M N M M n n n m. This is the correct statement. P elements 2, Q elements 2. N of P cross Q is equal to 4. Okay, it will come 4. So how many elements are given? 2 elements are given. So what is the correct answer? This is the correct answer. If false means we have to write correct answer. Okay, but is true or false? This is the false statement. False statement. But what is second one? If A and B are non-empty sets, then A cross B is A cross B is a non-empty set of ordered pairs x comma y, such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Correct. Okay, A and B are non-empty sets. So A cross B also non-empty set. Set of order pairs x comma y, x comma y. Order pairs x comma y. But x comma y means in A cross B. A cross B. A cross B. What is x is equal to A, y is equal to B. The correct statement. Next, third one. A cross A is equal to 1 comma 2, B is equal to A is equal to 1 comma 2, B is equal to 3 comma 4, B is equal to 3 comma 4. Then A cross B intersection pi is equal to pi. Correct? Correct. Because in A cross B, for example, in G cross H, G is a non-empty set, H is a non-empty set. Either G or H, any one is the empty set, means the Cartesian product also empty. Okay, G H అనేవి non-empty sets. ಇಲ್ಲಿ G H ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎನಿ G or H ಎನಿ ಒನ್ non-empty set ಮೀನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಎಂಟಿಯೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಜಿ ಆರ್ ನಾನ್ ಎಂಟಿ. ಈ ಟೂ ಸೆಟ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಂಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರನ್ಕೋ, ಜಿ ಹೆಚ್ ಎದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಎಂಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರನ್ಕೋ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆ ಎಂಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಂದರೆ ಆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಎಂಟಿಯೇ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಸೆಟ್ಟು, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪೈ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಂಟಿ. ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೆಟ್ empty means that cross product also empty. Okay, so B intersection pi is equal to B intersection pi is equal to properties of intersection, properties of unions, properties of intersection. B intersection pi is equal to what? Pi. Next, A cross pi is also pi. That is A union B union pi. B union pi is equal to B. Properties very important. Properties are important. B union empty set is equal to B. B intersection empty set is equal to pi. A cross empty set is equal to pi A. Is it correct? Okay. Next. Okay, next one. ಈ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ನು ಡಿಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ನು ಡಿಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಒನ್. A cross B is equal to A cross B is equal to AX, AY, AX, AY, BX, BY. AX, AY, BX, BY. Find A and B. find capital A and B. AB are given, find A cross B is known. So A cross B is given. A cross B given, find A set and B set. What is A set? A set is in order pair first elements. A set means A is the first. In A cross B, A is the first. So in order pair also first elements. A comma, B comma, B. So A 2 times you can write 1 time, B 2 times you can write 2 times. What is B? B is equal to xy, xy. What is B? X comma y. This one. This seventh one. Let A and B and C A is equal to 1 comma 2, B is equal to 1 2 3 4, C is equal to 5 comma 6, D is equal to 5 6 7 8. Verify that first one, A cross B intersection C, A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. First B intersection C, B intersection C, B की C की intersection. What is meant by intersection? Common. In common element, how many? B is equal to 1 2 3 4, C is equal to 5 comma 6. So there is no common in both sets, no common element. So B intersection C is equal to pi. So A intersection LHS is equal to A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross pi is equal to pi. Next, A cross B is equal to what? A cross B 1 1 1. Next 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 all sets. Next 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4. This is A cross B. A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross C. A is 1 comma 2, B is 1 comma 5. So 1 5 1 6 1 5 1 6 2 5 2 6 2 5 2 6. What is the next one? A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross B की A cross C की common element 1 comma 1 comma 5 equal. So there is no 1 comma 1 in A cross C. 1 comma 1 1 comma 2, there is no 1 comma 2 1 comma 3 1 comma 4 2 comma 1 2 comma 2 2 comma 3 2 comma 4. There is no common element in both sets. In the both sets there is no common element. Intersection means what? Common. So this is equal to 5. So hence A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Okay, the second one, no homework. A cross C is a subset of B cross D. A cross is your own homework. So tomorrow I will continue the next class. Thank you.